Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an active company account and device enrollment allowed by your admin. Once confirmed, install the Microsoft Intune Company portal from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure to grant requested permissions, location, storage, and device management, because the app uses them to verify device compliance and apply policies. After installation, open the app and tap Sign In. Use your work email and password. If multi-factor is required, complete that prompt to continue. Once you enter your corporate email, the app redirects to your organization's Azure Active Directory sign-in page. Enter your password and any single sign-on credentials. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, respond to the push, SMS, or authenticator code. This verifies your identity and reduces account risk. After sign-in, the portal prompts you to enroll the device. Accept the device management profile and any required settings so the device can receive compliance policies. Make sure to read finish by allowing the app to complete device sync and policy download. Once done, the company portal will display your device and its compliance status. If enrollment fails, try signing out and repeating the sign-in flow, then reinstall the app. Make sure your OS is up to date and device time is accurate, because time drift breaks authentication. If problems persist, capture the error code and contact IT with the code and device model so they can resolve configuration or conditional access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.